Hello everyone, welcome back to chapter 6 again. And this is my last chapter for cosine and sine graph. After that, we're gonna jump on to tangent and some new circular function as well. So, before that, I want you guys to make sure now how to graphing the cosine sine transformation part, and also we're gonna learn something called the determinant or determining of the roots of graphing the circular functions, which is our next chapter. Um, so some of the examples I want to start straight away. For example, this question. Some people are gonna ask me what's aptitude is 6 and period is 10, so we're gonna find A and N. So before that, so we know period equal to 2 pi over n, so equal to 10. So which is 2 pi over n equal to 10. So 10 times n equal to 2 pi, and n equal to pi of 5. Hopefully that makes sense. And the aptitude, so which is a equal to 6, so aptitude equal to 6. And ft will be equal to 6 sine pi over 5t. Yep. And if they ask you to graphing and sketching the graph, we can start with t and y. So we know the period is 10, so we can start 0, 5, and 10. Okay, so that will be 6 and negative 6. So the graph of it looks like that. Yeah, hopefully that makes sense. And another one will be showing and sketching the graph as showing this, which means you can say between 4 and 6, between 4 and 2, between 4 and 2 is 4. So we can say A equal to the aptitude is gonna be 2. So we know 4 to 6 is 2 and 4 to 2 is 2. So aptitude is 2. And you can say B is plus 4. So because it have to be the central line is start 4, so that will be 4, which means you're moving up by 4 units, the positive. But now we're gonna figure out our what's that called, the periods. So we can say 0 to 6, that's our period. So forget about this half. So we can start from here to here. So that's the one period of the sine. So which is 2 pi over n equal to 6, 6n equal to 2 pi, and n equal to pi over 3. So which means y equal to 2 sine and pi over 3t plus 4. Yep, that's it. That's my examples. And now we're gonna try to figure out this one. So we're gonna using some questions. For example, you had a range between 2 and negative 2. So which means your A equal to 2. The period is 6, which is 2 pi over n equal to 6. So n equal to, that looks n actually, so n equal to pi over 3. So y equal to 2 sine pi over 3t plus the 5 So which is when t equal to 4, y equal to 0. So now we can try 2 sine pi over 3t, so which is times 4 plus 5 equal to 0. So which is 2 sine 4 pi over 3 plus 5 equal to 0. And because the sine, so pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, so which is n pi, so which is equal to 0. So we can say 4 pi over 3 plus 5 equal to pi, 2 pi, and n pi. So like that. So we're choosing the simplest solution. So we can try phi equal to pi minus so pi minus what's that called? So equal to pi or 2 pi or 3 pi or even the 0. Sorry, even the 0. So we can actually so that equal to 0. So we can just using that equal to 0. Because remember you start from 0 and that's sine equal to 0. So from the unit circle. Yeah, my mistake. So phi are equal to negative 4 pi over 3 straight away. So later on, you will say your graph will be pi over 3t minus 4 pi over 3. That's it. That's your properties. Yeah, that's the question for 6i. And hopefully you enjoyed it, and see you guys next time.